Hello, welcome to this screencast. The screencast will demo the op unit profile check, and following that demonstrate running the code that provisions two servers. One would be AWS, another would be the DigitalOcean. As can be seen here, the op unit has 13 passed, so 100% of the check has been passed. Now we'll go to the next step of provisioning AWS. As can be seen here, my AWS has 3 of the instances which are terminated. I will now run the provisioning code here, which will go ahead and create a new instance. An instance with an ID of I09XXX94BF has been created. We will refresh the screen. And you can see that instance is now being created here. An instance ID of I followed by 94BF. We'll wait for a few seconds, and then as soon as the instance gets updated, we will get the IP address and ping the same. This shows the code for getting just the IP address. I need to pass in the instance ID. It is still being initialized. Just give me a few more seconds and refresh the screen here. As can be seen here, the IP address it figured out for that instance ID is 315.181.173, and a ping to that is showing that instance is alive, and we can see here what IP address is. It shows the public IP address here as 315.181.173, same as what it is here. And I can stop and terminate by passing the same instance ID. Just give a few seconds for it to be stopped. As can be seen, that instance is being stopped. Following this, we can terminate it. Going on to the next cloud provider, which is the DigitalOcean. and at this time I do not have any droplets. I will go ahead and create with the index command, which has the code for creating a droplet. And it did create a droplet with an ID of 175928239, and it's waiting for about 60 seconds for instant initialization of VM to complete before issuing a ping. I'll refresh. Refresh shows creation of a droplet with an IP address of 157.245.85 and 29. We'll wait for about a few seconds so that the ping will be completed. It now shows the ping at the end of 60 seconds, giving enough time to initialize. It completed successfully. One thing I forgot to show was the logging in of the SSH. So we'll go back. Create one more time. A new. As can be seen, a new instance here has been created, this time with an IP address of 18.222.183.61. We'll verify that. I need to pass in the instance ID. That matches the IP address shown here, 18.223. So 18.222.183.61. Now we'll do SSH. By running this command. There you go. You can see we issued SSH. Thank you. That's the end of this recording.